गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। सबसे पहले आप सबको रमजान खूब खूब मुबारक हो। नाउ come to the point. Again we are here for with the same topic and same type of sum, but something is different because पहले हमने जो देखा था that is called the value gross value added at market price. Now we are considered as a net value at market price. Now this is your sum. Calculate the net value added at market price. Here particulars and rupees in crores is given to you. First sales is given to you 90 rupees crore. Closing stock also given to you 25 in crores. Opening stock 15. Indirect taxes 10. Depreciation 20. Intermediate consumption 40. Purchase of raw materials 15 and rent 5. Now see the sum carefully. Sales, it is a part of our formula. Clear? Closing stock and opening stock. So in our formula we just use the change in stock. And what is change in stock? Changing stock equal to closing stock minus opening stock. So that two points also consider as our formula. Now indirect taxes, maybe it is हैपन कि इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस हम लोग यूज़ कब करते हैं, जब मार्केट प्राइस टू फैक्टर कॉस्ट और डोमेस्टिक टू नेशनल ये सब चीज़ों का यूज़ करेंगे तब मे भी ये यूज़ हो सकता है. नाउ डेप्रिसिएशन अगेन फेमिलियर वर्ड टू अस. नाउ इंटरमीडिएट कंजप्शन, इट इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द वैल्यू एडेड method. Now purchase of raw material, again it is a part of the value added method formula. But what is rent? Rent is given here, but it is not a familiar to us. Clear? Because it is a part of the income method. So rent यहाँ दिया हुआ है because of your confusion create करने के लिए, और किसी के लिए भी नहीं दिया है. So rent is not a part of this sum. Clear? यहाँ दिया हुआ है but still only create the confusion, nothing else. So now we will start our sum solution. First, with the help of the, we don't directly find out the net value of the added at market price. First we have to find out with the help of the value added method. In the value added method, we just find out the gross value added at market price. It means GVAMP. From help of this method, we just find out the gross value added at market price. It means GVAMP. And already we've seen that GVAMP equal to GDPMP. Fine. So first we have to find out GVAMP. So what is the formula of value added method? Sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. Clear? This is the formula of GVAMP. Now sales is given to you. First we elaborate the change in stock. So sales कितना दिया हुआ है 90 plus change in stock, it means the closing stock minus opening stock minus intermediate consumption. Here already given to you intermediate consumption is 40 crore. So 40 is given to you. So now 90 plus closing stock minus opening stock. Closing stock is 25. Opening stock is 15. So 15 minus 40. So 90 plus 25 minus 10. So plus 25 minus 15, it means 10. So 10 minus 40. 90 plus 10, it means 100 minus 40. So GVAMP equal to rupees 60 crore. Fine. We got the answer with the help of the value added method. But keep in your mind, we don't find out the answer GVAMP. We need the NVAMP. It means net value added at market price. We have to find out the net value added at market price. So what is the next step? We are here. So GVA MP, and what is our destination? NVA MP. So NVA MP equal to GVA MP. Now listen, gross to net, it means minus depreciation. Now second position, third position, fourth position. So second, third and fourth still remain same in this type. So GVA MP equal to 60 crores. Now depreciation also given to you 20. So 20. So final answer NVA MP equal to rupees 20 crore. This is your final answer. Clear all of you? Now listen again. We have learned only one method, value added method, and in this sum rent is the not a part of this method. Now indirect tax is also not a part of this method, but it is the familiar to us. But rent, it is not familiar to us. Fine. In national income, because rent is used in national income in the income method, and this is a value added method. So now value added method, in value added method we just find out the gross value added at market price. So first we have to find GVA MP, and GVA MP equal to GDP MP, already we had seen. Now GVA MP, what is the formula of GVA MP? Sales plus change in stock minus intermediate consumption. So what is the sales? So sales is given to you rupees 90 crore plus change in stock. We just elaborate this. Change in stock, it means closing stock minus opening stock, and intermediate consumption given to you 40. So 90 plus 25, closing stock also given to you, and opening stock is 15 minus 40 is intermediate consumption. So 90, 25 minus 15 in the bracket, so that is the 10. So plus 10 minus 40. 90 plus 10 equal to 100 minus 40. It means the GVA MP equal to rupees 60 crore. But see in the sum calculation, in the question carefully, we have to find out the net value added at market price, and we just find out the gross value added at market price. So that is again same, gross to net. So we are here GVA MP, and what is our destination? NVA MP. So NVA MP here. Now GVA MP given to you. Now gross to net जाने के लिए क्या करना है? Minus depreciation. So minus depreciation. So GVA MP is 60. We just find out the GVA MP is 60. Now listen students. Second position, third and fourth. Second, third and fourth. Three all positions are remain same. So only the one difference is there, gross to net. So gross to net, it means the minus depreciation. So 60 minus 20. So 60 minus 20, it means rupees 40 crores is your answer. NVA MP is rupees 40 crores. 60 minus 20, it means the 40 crores. I hope you can understand all these things. Okay, everything.